Good morning, everyone. I'm at the pool for a swim. I came over here because I had to take a call, and this little guy was going to run away, and I smiled and I just waved at him a little bit, and look at how close he is to me. He's actually takes the time to look at me. Look at how he is so close to the green he's eating. Look at this. He's not afraid of me at all, okay? I'm telling you that everything is vibration. Everything is vibration, and everything is energy in the universe. And you can still see him here. Where is he? Where'd you go, buddy? Okay, he's leaving now. Anyways, I'm jumping back in the pool. Everything is vibration and everything is energy. You came to this planet. It keeps cutting out. My apologies. You came to this planet as a pure energy spirit. You will leave this planet as a pure energy spirit. When you came down here and you were infused into physical matter, okay? Your brain was manipulated, okay? So that you would not self-love, so that you would not self-care, so that you would vibrate slow, very low and very slow, so that you could become enslaved. Everybody on this planet is a slave until you have an understanding that you were created by something that we call God. But I want to tell you something. I have a challenge for you. I want you all to go draw a picture of God, creator, source. You can't do it. It's impossible. No matter how many books are written, no matter how many stories are told, we do not have any conception, true conception of what that is. But that is a vibration that is so high and so beautiful and so glorious. And understand something. That which I believe is creation, creator, God, source, has never judged us. But you go ahead. You take that belief of yours and you believe that you're trying to win your way into heaven, or that you're being judged constantly. Let's find out how fast you heal, how well you feel. And understand something, on this planet, you have to feel your way through. But what if your belief systems were that you are unworthy, or you're a little sinner, or that, who would love me, or that I'm not that smart? Everybody has genius. Understand something. We have what we call BHN University, and you'll see when I come out with my new Touch app. It's on my websites now on BraveHeartNation.com. But yesterday I was called up, and we can now offer a Biophysics PhD. We can offer an Indigenous doctorate. We can now offer a doctorate of natural medicine. Understand something. People will call me up and go, Dr. Wolf, I didn't finish high school, but I've always wanted to be a practitioner. I've always wanted to be a healer. Can I even come and take your course? No. You are the course. Get back on course. Look for your BraveHeart. Let me tell you something. I want nothing to do with the so-called universities or the schools that are on this planet right now, damn it. They are only to rule, school, and fool you and make you into a low vibrational human doing. And that's all it is. Wait till the new outbreak comes in the fall, or whenever they decide to pull their stunt again. And how many of these people around me are going to go, I'm just doing my job. Don't be a slob. Don't tell me you're doing your job. Why don't you do your passion, your purpose? Why don't you have a destiny? Okay, everybody needs a destiny. And I was just talking to one of my co-workers, okay, because we're building this Touch app. And I said on there, I need everyone to understand when they come on this app that they gave up their destiny. They gave up their passion and purpose. Only 1 out of 10,000 people actually reach their destiny on this planet. That's why they can chop us up, poison us. They can put it in the food, the water, the drink. Everybody just does it. Think about it. When people celebrate life, what do? Well, they bring in the alcohol, they bring in the sugar, they bring in all the poisons. When we have even a birthday party for a beautiful young little spirit being, what do? We poison them. Or when a little spirit being does something that we think is good, we say, hey, if you're good, Daddy will take you for a treat and poison the living crap out of you. So understand something. BHN University is a school of higher learning, but that doesn't mean anything. It's a school of learning how to totally unconditionally love and care for yourself and to live your passion and purpose. And if you do that, I guarantee you that you will be abundant on all levels. Quit your job today. Go check out BraveHeartNation.com. If you've always wanted to be a practitioner or get your doctorate, you know, I don't care what the government says, the medical system says. They can go play in their own little corner, okay? We've got our corner of the universe, and it's called BraveHeart Nation, all right? And we're welcoming everyone, doesn't matter who you are. You could tell me that you only got to grade 6. Let me tell you something. All you need is passion and purpose, all right? And then go back and dust off your dreams and your desires and go get them. And understand something. Do not get upset when people don't like you, when people even hate you, or they don't like what you're doing. Just mind your own business, love yourself, because the majority of the population here is so toxic on this planet right now because they don't understand their subconscious and that it's been totally programmed to kill themselves and their family, even when they go, let's celebrate. Yeah, I can't wait for that, to have a sugar, alcohol, drug hangover tomorrow morning. No. Let's get enlightened, okay? Because we are enlightened beings when we change our belief systems. Because your brain is nothing but a computer. So you better start pulling some of these programs out and putting new ones in. And I don't care about what anybody says about you. I love you. Do you love you? Okay? And understand, do me that little favor and go and see if you could draw a picture of God. Good luck. You better be drawing a picture of the universe, and it better be bright, and it better be beautiful. And it better be you. Have a beautiful day. God bless.